Welcome back to the finals. We're bowling here at Black Oak Casino and Resort. Bowled 8 games yesterday, qualified second. We got a 2-round bye for this top 16 bracket. We will be bowling the winner of Will Garber and Ramsey. We got the Shannon Cannon on the cam. He's not too happy, he just lost in the first round. He will be our narrator for the day, and hopefully he has a long story to tell. Let's go. That's probably the best I bowled in a while. I was kind of scared because I didn't feel great on the practice pair. Shaky, kind of physically, just trying to iron itself out. Thankfully it did. I made 22 of 22 shots that I wanted to make, so execution's really good today so far. On the round of 4. Who do we play next? Either Tez or Wesley, I think.
Pretty close match between Cortez and Wesley, but Wesley snuck out the win. Cortez with that stone 9, so looks like Darren's going to go on bowl Wesley and should have a pretty good match here.
Well, wasn't meant to be today. Finished 4th. I don't really like how they separate the brackets and it's not by seed, because otherwise I finished 3rd. But because the other match went to 3 and mine only went to 2, and I finished 4th. We have one more event, and I think I have to win to be considered for Player of the Year. But all of that is out of my control. All I could do is do what I do, and hopefully things turn out the way they do. But the match was tough. I was going in kind of handicapped. It was a burn pair. I was following a two-hander that was pretty far left with urethane, and he had some traffic on his side, but obviously it's not as bad. It's 2 lefties bowling for the title, so if that doesn't tell you anything, then I don't know what does. So it was kind of an uphill battle the whole time. I never really got settled in. A couple of triples here and there, but he was pretty lined up, and all he had to do was make shots. So that's kind of what I had the first match. I bowled 540. That's how it goes sometimes. But I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you smash that sub button and the like button, and leave me a comment. On to the next.